And we are back once again with Cyber Phoenix 99. Oh, we got CK again. Hell yeah.
I'm a wanted bird for good reason.
He's going Skolldir. Skolldir, come på sex, from lemonade club. Skolldir's coming for a visit, strong lemonade ready. I love Skolldir's theme so much. It's like one of my favorites. That, Ted McPain. I like Captain McPain too, actually. Chucho's, I like Chucho's pretty well. It kind of reminds me of Burn by Bongo from time. What is that? What is that game? Chronos. The really old one for the SNES. Let's see, who do we got? Well, it's not gonna let me see. Okay, they got a Gnaw, a Skolldir, and please don't be a Dizzy. It's a Dizzy. You bitch. Crap, it would be a Dizzy. It would have to be a Dizzy.
Shot till you crop.
See if he remembers this.
Droid spawning in 5 seconds. Droids have spawned.
Alright, so we're back here again. Trying to debate where... Uh-oh. That's never a good sign. I'm taking my time here. Oh, come on, come on, get him, get him, get him, get him! Oh, you lucky little... Oh, I'm up fucked alley. Oh, I like Dizzy's thing too, actually. Oh, I got somebody. I don't know who I got. Chase me, come on, I dare you. Oh, you're not gonna chase me? I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I thought you was gonna chase me. You fertilized it, you bastard. Sit down, Dizzy. Got somebody. Oh, we're gonna help that Skolldir down there. Oh, Clunk, how did you let that one go? Oh, that's okay. That is alright. Mistakes were made. We'll probably pay for it in the long run, but that's okay. I can't complain. Look how many arrows I've missed. Many, many people have been wasted a Rocco Taco. Much to my utter chagrin. Okay, we're gonna have to get regen pretty quick. I'll just take all this health so that they can't have it. Oh, you are gonna be one of those, aren't you? Oh, man, look at that. Baited me, and I got baited again. Unfortunate. Nah, you ain't getting me, Dizzy. You think you're getting me. Golly. Oh, look at that Clunk go. I need to go get back there. Okay, you know what? They're going to make a push. I need to make a push, like, right now. Guys, I'm sorry I'm getting quiet. I'm concentrating. I hit somebody. Oh my. Oh, there goes our Clunk. got upstaged by one of your water clones. You hussy. Try me. Oh, I'm calling shenanigans on that. My cat came to say hi. Hello, kitty. What you doing? Oh, she could be screwed. She's not, though. She's going to make it. Oh, man. Where are you, Dizzy? Where are you? Well, you're not Mr. Nice Guy, you're Mr. Overly Aggressive Guy. Alright. I'm not gonna sit here and judge everybody, though. That's not the way I do things. Alright, let's see. Grab that. We'll grab that in a minute. Oops, hit the wrong button. I hit my caps lock. That's not gonna do us any good. Oh, Rocco Tacos. Oh. Oh, look at that. Get out of here, Dizzy. Oh, Skolldir, why? My team keeps overextending. Guys, I know it's fun to kill things, but you have to be patient about it. I can't get up there. I can't get up there. Honk, you need to get back, buddy. Like post haste. I'll grab it. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, so we're doing a pretty good split push right now. Come on, eat that Rocco Taco. Yes. So while they harass that, I'm going to go down here and make him split push. If I can get up there. Oh, he made it. Oh, I'm salty. Come on, come on. There we go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, I'm up fucked alley. Eat that Rocco Taco. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. If I can aim. Which is not, you know. Oh, he got the Dizzy!
You taught that crooked person a lesson.
Now, unless the Gnaw comes down here and finds us, we're screwed. Oh, he's attracting attention. And that Skolldir is going ham. I probably should let that for the Skolldir. Or even the, there you go. Hot Cedars. I like that. Oh, we let that Skolldir alone. Oh, no, he's going to die. Oh, I feel so bad. Tell you what, we're just going to go ahead and grab this. And this.
An enemy was killed.
Ooh. Well, I thought he was going to try to jump at him, but he didn't. I was mistaken. Oh, I got the Gnaw. He's gnawing on a Rocco Taco right now. Can we get one for the Skolldir? Got one for the Skolldir too. Come on, Skolldir. Come on, darling. Ooh, you tried. Oh, we missed. Darn it, now Skolldir's gonna go hungry.
You did it. A bunch of people just went down.
Oh, Dizzy. Oh, you lucky little... Oh, that was bad. I twitched. Ray Solar. Gimme.
Hey, they're attacking your top turret.
Actually, I'm gonna make him. I'm gonna get him off our turret. I'm gonna make him go after me. You know, Disney's actually one of the few characters that I think looks, oh yes. Oh, are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? Oh, we are gonna make it. Oh, that Dizzy, though. That Dizzy wanted our giblets, but she can't have them. She can have some Rocco tacos, though.
Jazzy.
Flying the coop.
Man, I thought I killed him for a second. I was about to be so impressed with myself.
You absolutely committed that crime.
Then it turned out that I was overestimating my own abilities. Gosh darn it. Here you go. Here you go, Gnaw. There we go. Gnaw on that. Oh man, this is such a clearing. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Rocco Taco. Rockamole! He jumped over it, the little bastard! Oh, why did you do that, Skolldir? That was a mistake, and you're paying for it now. You are paying for that one. It's over with for them, unfortunately. That Skolldir carried our ass to the very end. Oh, man. So we're going to go ahead and go back.
Ain't my style, but
I know we should just push forward, but why bother? They've got it locked down. Charge precision stressful. Ooh.
You did it.
I don't know. I like that one.
any dirty tricks for sale?
Yes, I definitely like that one. I do not think we're going to get all the way over there before they destroy the core, unfortunately. So we're just going to launch a parting gift.
Cleaning up the neighborhood.
Did it actually get the shot? Hey, there's my arrow.
When a plan comes together.
Awesome. Finally nailing it. We are getting the hang of Rocco. We're starting to figure out our build.
Bullseye.
Look at that. Cleaning up the neighborhood. Alright. I will see you guys for the next one. This is XOR signing out. Bye-bye.